Assalamu alaikum friend. Hope you all will fine. Today in this video tutorial I will talking about Pakistan e-visa, which are the main documents requirement for Pakistan e-visa, total cost about Pakistan e-visa, from which country you can apply Pakistan e-visa, each and everything I will discuss in this video. So must watch this video till end. If you like my video, please like and comments on this video. If you need our help, you can find our mobile phone WhatsApp number in this video. You can contact us and I will definitely help you and apply your Pakistan e-visa. Okay, so you come on this website visa.nadra.government.pakistan. This is the official website of government of Pakistan for e-visa. First of all, you must note it that Indian citizen and Israel citizen can't apply for e-visa. You must apply your visa from Pakistan embassy in your home country. Okay, so on this website, if you come, you need to click on apply now button and you will redirect to the main official apply application process. You need to create your account if you don't have. So click new account option and create your account here. So here you need to give a name, surname, email, retrieve your email and password. If you type these all things wrong, this is not a big deal. This is not a big problem. You can process your visa inside your application. If you write here anyone information, no problem, but you must write your email correct and your password, because this will be the main information you need to for your visa. If you write this anyone information and save and continue button, your visa will be your application will be processed and you will get verification code on your mobile phone as well as on your email. So verify your account and come back and click on login button, and here you need to type your email and the correct password, because I already told you you need to provide correct password and email, and write any captcha show here and click on login button. So your account will be login here. Accept and continue button. After this you will see your dashboard. So here you can check not submitted, mean the visa the visa application you still not submitted will be show here, so you can check. And process button, you can show your all visa application here in this tab where you have already applied for Pakistan visa. So this will be in the process, not approved till, but in the process. If your visa will be rejected, here you can check your all visa application which are rejected by the government. So you can check here, I have rejected 22 visa for my client, because there are many clients which belongs to Afghanistan. From Afghanistan side, Pakistan visa ratio is 50%, so it must be noted. And here granted mean that all visa application which is approved by the government of Pakistan, and this is the visa you can download from here. Okay, so if you need my help for your visa, you can contact on this WhatsApp number you can show on the screen. Okay, so if you require my help, I will definitely apply your Pakistan visa. If you require invitation letter from Pakistan, I can also provide invitation letter to you, but you will not belong to Afghanistan, India, Israel. Okay, so I can help. Okay, so if you apply for new visa, you click new application here. Okay, and after this Pakistan visa select option, Pak visa, and after that select your current nationality. Here your nationality you need to select. Okay, so if you select for example I select Austria. Okay, and start application. So your visa application like this, I already check you will continue button, but I already have application, so I can show you. Your visa application will be like this. Okay, So you need to provide your application info, personal info, family info, financial and employment info, travel history, visit info if you have already a travel history, documents and review, and after this payment. Okay, it must be noted for every country there is a fees different, visa fees is different. So one thing is clear to you. The second thing, which documents are required for Pakistan visa, so you can check. This is the main documents which is required for Pakistan visa. Okay, one clear picture, one passport scan copy, invitation letter from Pakistan. If you apply for tourist visa, you need to provide these documents. You can also apply without this document, but if they require, you need to provide this. I can also help an invitation letter, but it will be not free. And the fourth number is marriage certificates or birth certificates if you have. Okay, so you can birth certificates or marriage certificates also provide. Fifth number, Pakistani person CNIC copy if someone is inviting you in Pakistan. The sixth number is visa or ID or resident card if you live in another country. On which airport you come to Pakistan, provide this. Husband or wife name, mobile contact number and complete address, and the last but not the least, father and mother name and their nationality, and the last one is what is your current job if doing jobs. 5 to 14 working days is the total processing time, and visa fees is already told you, depend on country to country. If you contact me, so I will tell you. An Afghani passport, it must be noted that 2 to 3 month processing time. You can check my WhatsApp number on screen, and you can contact me on this number if you require. So you need to apply for tourist visa or visa in your inbox. This is the two options you can select to anyone. Okay, for example, if you apply on arrival visa, so you must select visa in inbox, or you can select tourist visa. But visa in inbox is disadvantage is this: you can't extend your visa, but tourist visa can be extendable. Okay, so you select here 2-3 month visa apply, 6 month whatever you apply, you can select there. And application type, entry, entry selection, and the second one is single entry required, multiple entry, you can select there. And you need to write visit purpose here, and the visa allowed duration 2 months, 3 months, you can select here. The country from where you are staying, you can select here, and the mission you need to select here. And the entry airport you need to select here, and the departure airport you can select from Pakistan. Arrival date you can write here, and departure, and you need to write passport information and your passport type, issue authority, the passport issue authority name here, passport country here, issue date and expiry, and save button. Okay, so you will be processed, and the next personal information. I will not explain each and everything because the video length will be increased. So you need to write your surname here, given name here, and country of birth here, country of resident here, date of birth here, and place of birth. Okay, and if you are single, write single, married, and if you male, and select female if you are female. Contact detail here, and your email, your mobile phone number here, and the other thing is optional, and you need to save button. The third one is family information. You need to write here father name and the father information, for example date of birth, nationality, etc. Mother information you need to write here. Okay, and the click save button. The fourth one is financial detail. If you are self-employed, select self-employed. If you are supported by family member and unemployed, whatever you are, you can select here and save button. The another, if you are you have already traveled to some other country, you can select from here other country information also and write there. Okay, and if you don't have visa refusal, so click on no option and save button. The next one is visa information. So here you can write if you want to visit Jammu Kashmir, so click yes and give the detail. If not, no. If you are staying in hotel, click here hotel information and write all hotel information here. If you are staying in somewhere personal, so you need to select personal and write here. If you are sponsored someone, so click yes and write the sponsor information here. If you have friend or relative in Pakistan, click yes and write here all the information. Okay, and if you are living in other area, so you can write here and save button. The next button is documents. So I already told you, you need to upload all these documents for your visa. Okay, so all the document you need to select here and choose file and upload button and save button, so your documents will upload here. After uploading all documents, check your visa application, and the next one is a review option. You can check your all application and click on save button and proceed to payment option, so you can pay online. If you don't have debit card, credit card, you can't apply for your visa, I will definitely help you. Contact me on this WhatsApp number you can see on your screen, and I will definitely help you for your Pakistan e-visa. So I hope you will find each and everything in order I have explained you. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.